Here's how to loose lace Adidas Campus. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side. Then you want to take the lace end down into them from above, like this. Pull that through a little bit and then swap to the other one. And bring the other one down into the other lace end from above. Before you pull them all the way through, take a hold of your two lace ends, grab a hold of your Adidas Campus and just pull. And this will mean your laces will come out of equal length on either side. If yours haven't, don't worry about it. Just take a minute to make sure that they're equal before we carry on. There's no rush. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace on the right hand side, and we're going to bring it over to the left hand side and down into the next empty eyelet from above. So just feed that through, making sure you're going down into it from above. And don't pull it through too tight because this is a loose lace style and you want your feet to slip in and out. Swap to the lace on the left, bring it over to the right and down into the next empty eyelet from above. Making sure there's no twists. Looking good. Then we're going to repeat that. Keep a hold of the lace on the right, bring it over to the left, down into the next empty eyelet from above. Swap to the other one, bring it over to the right and down into the next empty eyelet from above. Looking good. Now remember, you can play this video on half speed or pause as much as you need to. There's no stress. Then we're going to keep a hold of the lace on the right, bring it over to the left and down into the next empty eyelet. And do the same with the lace on the left, over to the right and down into the next empty eyelet. Now we've reached the little tongue loop. With the loose lacing style, we don't use the tongue loop. We use the tongue loop in a standard lacing style. So we're going to go ahead and skip that for the loose style. Keep a hold of the lace on the right, bring it over to the left, down to the next empty eyelet. Grab the lace on the left, bring it over to the right, down into the next empty eyelet. Keep a hold of the lace on the right, bring it over to the left, down to the next empty eyelet from above. And same with the one on the left, bring it over to the right, and down into the next empty eyelet from above. Now we've reached the final eyelets, we're going to do something a little bit different here. Keep a hold of your lace on the right, bring it over to the left, but instead of going down into the eyelet from above, we're going to come up through it from underneath. So bring it through from underneath and only pull it through around about this much. Don't worry about this excess lace, we'll sort that in a second. Swap to the other lace, bring it over to the right and do the same on this side, up through the last eyelet from underneath and only pull it through about this much. Then you can go ahead and tuck that excess lace behind the sneaker tongue and you can slip your feet in and out of them without the need for tying them each time. Repeat on your other sneaker and you'll have an awesome pair of loose lace Adidas Campus. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for all your sneaker lacing inspo. Thanks guys.